If you think digital marketing is just posting on Instagram and running a few Facebook ads, you are stuck in 2019. And honestly, you are probably losing customers to your competitors right now. Digital marketing in 2026 is completely different. It's AI powered, it's data driven, and if you are not adapting, you are basically invisible online. In the next 12 minutes, I am going to break down exactly what digital marketing is in 2026, the 7 channels you need to master, and why this is literally the most important skill you can learn right now. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Taha, and if you are new here, this channel is all about digital marketing, SEO, and AI tools. Basically, everything you need to grow online and make money in 2026. And today, we are kicking off something special, a complete digital marketing course, absolutely free, right here on YouTube. Over 90 videos covering everything from SEO to social media, paid ads, email marketing, AI tools, the whole thing. But we are starting with the foundation, what is digital marketing? Because if you don't understand this, nothing else is going to make sense. And make sure you watch until the end because I am going to share the number one mistake beginners make when starting digital marketing and how to avoid. Alright, let's dive in. Section 1. What is digital marketing? So, what is digital marketing? At its core, digital marketing is any form of marketing that happens online or through electronic devices. That's it, simple, right? We are talking about websites, search engines like Google, social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, email, mobile apps, YouTube videos, podcast, anything digital. But here is the key difference between digital marketing and traditional marketing like TV ads or billboards. Number one, it's targeted. You can reach exactly the people who want your product. Number two, it's measurable. You know exactly what's working and what's not. Number three, it's interactive. Your customers can respond, engage, and buy instantly. And number four, it's affordable. You don't need $1 million budget to get started. And here is why this matters in 2026. Digital marketing is no longer optional. There are over 5.4 billion people online right now. That's more than half the planet. If your business isn't online, you don't exist to them. Your competitors are online, your customers are online, their money is online. So if you are not online doing digital marketing, you are living on the table single every single day. Section 2. The 7 core channels. Now let me break down the 7 core channels of digital marketing. These are the pillars. Master these and you can market anything. Channel 1. Search Engine Optimization, SEO. SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. SEO is all about getting your website to show up at the top of Google when people search for things related to your business. And the best part, it's free traffic. You are not paying for ads, you are earning that top spot. For example, if you sell running shoes and someone searches best running shoes, you want your website showing up first because 75% of people never scroll past the first page of Google. Now, SEO in 2026 is different because Google is using AI everywhere. You have probably seen those AI overviews at the top of search results now. That's Google's SGE, Search Generative Experience. So, if you are not just competing with other websites anymore, you are competing with AI summaries. But the good news, if you optimize your content correctly, you can be featured in those AI answers. That's pure gold. SEO is a long term game. It can take 3 to 6 months to see results. But once you rank, that traffic keeps coming month after month for free. We are going deep into SEO in the next few videos. Channel 2, Content Marketing. Content marketing is creating valuable content that attracts and engages your audience. We are talking blogs, power posts, video like this one, podcast, infographic, social media posts, anything that provides value. The goal isn't to directly sell, it's to educate, entertain, or solve problems. And when you do that, people start to trust you, and trust equal to sales. For example, I am not selling you anything in this video. I am teaching you about digital marketing. But if you find this helpful, you are more likely to subscribe, watch more videos, and maybe even buy a course from me later. That's content marketing. Here is the thing about 2026. AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude can help you create content faster than ever before. But and this is huge. Everyone is creating content now, so the bar for quality has skyrocketed. Generic, boring AI generated content that sounds like a robot dead. What works now is content with personality, expertise, and unique perspective. Channel 3, Social Media Marketing. This is probably the most obvious one, right? Social media marketing is promoting your brand on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, or X as it's called now. But here is what's changed. It's not about going viral anymore. It's about building communities and real engagement. Short form video still dominates TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, but people are tired of fake, overly polished content. They want authenticity, they want real people. And here is something most people miss. Each platform has its own culture. What works on LinkedIn will bomb on TikTok. What crushes on Instagram Reels won't work on YouTube. You can't just copy paste the same content everywhere. Channel 4, Paid Advertising, also called pay per click. This is exactly what it sounds like. You run ads on Google, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and you pay every time someone clicks your ad. PPC is powerful because it's instant. Unlike SEO, which takes months, you can launch an ad campaign today and get traffic tonight. It's perfect for product launches, promotions, or when you need quick results. But here is the catch, costs are going up, competition is fierce. You can't just throw money at ads, hope for the best. You need strategy, good targeting, and you need to optimize constantly. The good news, platforms like Google and Facebook use AI now to automatically optimize your ads for you. We will dive deep into this in the paid ads module. Channel 5, Email Marketing. Yes, email is still alive. In fact, it's one of the highest ROI channels in digital marketing. For every dollar you spend on email, the average return is around $40. That's insane. Email marketing is building a list of subscribers and sending them valuable emails, newsletters, promotions, educational content, whatever. And here is the best part, you own your email list. Instagram can change its algorithm tomorrow and kill your reach. But your email list, that yours. It's an asset. In 2026, personalization is everything. Generic emails like, hey there, don't work anymore. People expect emails tailored to their interest and behavior. And AI makes this easier than ever. Channel 6, Influencer Marketing. This is partnering with people who have an engaged audience on social media to promote your products. But here is what's changed. Brands are not chasing mega influencer with millions of followers anymore. They are going for micro and nano influencer, people with 1000 to 1 lakh followers. Why? Because engagement is higher, trust is stronger, and it's way cheaper. A fitness micro influencer with 10,000 followers can drive better sales than a celebrity with 5 million. random followers. And channel 7, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you partner with others to promote your products and you pay them a commission for every sale. Or you can be the affiliate promoting others people's products. This is huge in 2026, especially in niches like tech, software, online education, and e-commerce. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank make it super easy to get started. And if you create content on YouTube or blogs, affiliate marketing can become a major income stream. So, those are the 7 channels: SEO, content marketing, social media, paid ads, email, influencer, and affiliate marketing. You don't need to master all of them at once. Just pick 2 or 3 to start and expand from there. Why this matters in 2026? Alright, so why am I making such a big deal about digital marketing in 2026 specifically? Because AI has changed everything. AI can now generate content, analyze data, optimize ads, personalize emails, predict customer behavior all in seconds. Digital marketers who use AI are absolute crushing it right now. But here is the key: AI is a tool, not a replacement. You still need strategy, you still need creativity, you still need to understand your audience. Think of AI as your superpower. It helps you work faster and smarter, but you are still the one making the decisions. The marketers winning in 2026 are the ones who blend AI efficiency with human insight. And that's exactly what I am going to teach you in this course or in upcoming course. The beginner mistake. Okay, I promise I would tell you the number one mistake beginners make. Ready? They try to do everything at once. They try to master SEO, run Facebook ads, post on Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, start a podcast, build an email list, all at the same time. And you know what happens? They burn out. They get overwhelmed and they quit. Here is what to do instead. Pick 2 channels, just 2, master those, get really good at them, then expand. For example, start with SEO and YouTube or Instagram and email marketing or TikTok and paid ads, whatever fits your business and your strength. Focus beats scattered effort every single time. Remember that. All right, let's wrap this up. Digital marketing in 2026 is all about being where your customers are on search engine, social media, email, and more. It's targeted, it's measurable, interactive, and affordable. And with AI, it's more powerful than ever. In the next video, we are diving into the digital customer journey, understanding exactly how people buy online so you can market to them at every stage. But I want to hear from you: which channel are you more interested in learning? SEO, social media, paid ads? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you are serious about mastering digital marketing, hit that subscribe button right now because I am dropping a new video in this series every single week. This is a complete free course. Don't miss it and smash that like button if you found this helpful. It tells YouTube to show this to more people who need it. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one where we break down the customer journey. Let's go.